As of now, Disney's latest attempt to steer the ship in the right direction has taken a deep dive. The Marvels, as some predicted, failed to impress box office numbers over the weekend. The superhero ensemble team starring Brie Larson took in only $21.5 million on Friday prior to the $6.6 million in previews, coming in at $47 to $52 million based on estimates. The critical reception is mixed with a 62% score from Rotten Tomatoes, while theatergoers had given a more favorable rating at 85%. The Nia DaCosta directed film received a B via cinema scores from audiences, placing the film within the tier of Doctor Strange and the Multitude of Madness, Thor Love and Thunder, Eternals, and Ant-Man and the Wasp. The Marvels is now being estimated at 110 to 115 million through Sunday, which could be seen as the lowest start for a Disney MCU title worldwide. This is unfortunate news for what was considered the juggernaut of the superhero movement in cinema, only to be crippled via bad decisions, two major strikes, reshuffling directors, controversy, and so forth. Can the Marvel Cinematic Universe make a comeback from these major offsets, or is it too late?